I'm Ajinkya. I'm a hardworking engineer who graduated from KSPM Merit Technical Campus, Pune. I don't think there is a much of a reaction from my end. Like I knew, like I have worked hard for like last 7 to 8 months, so like I will definitely get a job. Like my parents were quite happy. If you are willing to put efforts, it doesn't matter what is your past experiences, education you have. It doesn't matter at all. If you are willing to put efforts for for next 7 to 8 months, then you should definitely join Masai. Don't come into Masai from that perspective whether I'm gonna I don't have any prior knowledge to related to coding and all that. So if you don't have any knowledge, it is fine. If you are willing to put efforts, just join Masai. That's it.